library, and then the next step, college library from 1921, and the next journey from 1951, it was turned into the university library, and now it is the converted from Vishwabharati library to Vishwabharati Library Network. So today, I am furnishing all the information regarding the Vishwabharati Library services, facilities, and resources through live demo through our user-friendly website. So I am not using today any such kind of PPT because it is according to me that live demo through the website, it is more easier than the PPT. So let's start, and before going to start my presentation, so I am mentioning one quote from the Rabindranath Tagore. I have also mentioned before that without mentioning his name, it is not possible to explore everything. We are maintaining till today his advice. And as you know, Rabindranath Tagore written two articles directly on Rabindranath on library. One is renamed as library. Another title is library Mukhya Kartabya. So I am mentioning one quote from the Tagore. The quote is available from the article library, and it is also available in Vichitra Prabandha. মহাসমুদ্রের শত বৎসরের কল্লোল কেহ যদি এমন করিয়া বাঁধিয়া রাখিত পারিত যে সে ঘুমাইয়া পড়া শিশুটির মতো চুপ করিয়া থাকিত, তবে সেই নীরব মহাশব্দের সহিত এই লাইব্রেরি তুলনা হইত। এখানে ভাষা চুপ করিয়া আছে, প্রবাহ স্থির হইয়া আছে, মানবাত্মার অমর আলোক কালো অক্ষরের শৃঙ্খলে কাগজের কারাগারে বাধা পড়িয়া আছে। ইহারা সহসা যদি বিদ্রোহ হইয়া ওঠে, নিস্তব্ধতা ভাঙিয়া ফেলে, অক্ষরের বেড়া দক্ষ করিয়া একেবারে বাহির হইয়া আসে, হিমালয়ের মাথার উপরে কঠিন বরফের মধ্যে যেমন কত কত বন্যা বাঁধা আছে, তেমনি এই লাইব্রেরির মধ্যে মানব হৃদয়ের বন্যাকে বাঁধিয়া রাখিয়াছে। Very big, good, simple explanation and definition of library by Rabindranath Tagore. Now I am sharing my today's deliberation. So, and this such type of webinar we are introduced first time, and yesterday Mr. Ajay Kumar Sharma have already delivered his speech, and today is the second session. So maybe due to technical any difficulties, please bear with us. So I have already mentioned that today's my deliberation with the help of our very user-friendly, easy library website. As you know, our library website is maintained by Mr. Ajay Kumar Sharma and technical support other people. So how can we enter through our library website? So I start my journey from Google. I entered the Vishwabharati. As you know, the website address of the vishwabharati.ac.in. It is very familiar to you all. So this is the Vishwabharati homepage. And today most of the participants are the Vishwabharati community. So you are all familiar with the Vishwabharati homepage. So as you know that there is a direct link with the library. If we may click the library, then our user-friendly library website is open. The homepage of the Vishwabharati Central Library is opening soon. It's opening. It require a little bit time. So hopefully, all the client of the Vishwabharati Library, all are familiar with the Vishwabharati Library network. So first of all, I told you that it is not possible to explore everything within this stipulated time. So I am trying to furnishing in brief one by one from our library website, past service, then resource and facilities. As you know, last couple of few years we have taken so many new initiatives regarding the library service and facilities, and we have a central library apart from the 13 seminal library. Along with the 13 seminal library, 2 special library. One is the Robindra Bhavana Library, and there is the Bangladesh Bhavana Library. And other than the sectional library, there are more than 34 seminal library under the control of the HOD of the different departments. So now I come to the point first, the services one by one. And after completion my deliberation, there is an interaction session. And please note down your question. And after completion my deliberation, you ask the question one by one. So first, I came to the point, the information service. There are 3 categories of the information service. One is the current awareness service, new alert service, and newspaper clipping. So I am first. I came to the current awareness service. That is, in a word we can say, it is the cash. So what is the cash? As you know, there are so many resources. Out of the different resources, print journals. We are subscribed print journals, and these print journals are distributed and came to the central library throughout the year. And current awareness service CAS attempt to appraise academics of the latest article published, content based in PDF format of the latest issues of the journal, basically the print journal, are uploaded fortnightly basis, so that any client or the researcher or the faculty member show from this page what are the new or related article is available to this current awareness service. So this current awareness service is uploaded in fortnightly basis, and all the archives is available from 2014 to till today. And we categorize our journal cache department wise. As you know that we have the separate department like Kala Bhavana, Shikha Bhavana, Institute of Science, Vidya Bhaisha Bhavana, and Vinay Bhavana. We categorize our journal, basically print journal, in such a way. This is the current awareness service. So I am not going through details one by one due to the shortage of time. You may clip any pages according to your need. The next service is new arrival alert. As you know, throughout the year, we purchase different books as requisition by the faculty member as well as the research scholar. And this is also same criteria on fortnightly basis. The content page as well as the cover page uploaded in our library website in new arrival alert. And physical book is also available as a display form in our reference section. And next information service, very important, the newspaper clipping service. And this CAS and newspaper clipping service are organized through the journal section, and it is very important as a primary source of information. And this newspaper clipping service also categorized in Bhavan wise, like the news which is related to the agriculture, it is categorized in the PSB. The news which is related to the Sangit Bhavano, it is also categorized in the Sangit and Kala Bhavano. In such a way, we categorize our newspaper in different Bhavanos. And after scan, it is uploaded in our this page. And archives is also available because we start this new initiatives from 2014 onwards. So very important for the researchers, and as you know, there are so many resources as primary sources and secondary sources and tertiary sources. And these newspaper clippings is very important as a primary sources of information in literature review also. So this is the first kind of services, information service. So I am come to the second point, interlibrary loan. As you know, there are so many gateway to extract our resources like JCCC, JGET Plus, JSTOR, and as you know that a interlibrary loan is within the all the central university are under the MOU, under the umbrella of the INFLIPNET in ESS platform. So apart from the JCCC and JGET Plus and the JSTOR, there are few institutional membership among the Vishwabharati Library, like Telnet, British Council Library, and American Library, and so many. So we have the resources which is not available or purchased by the Central Library or Vishwabharati Library Network. We can extract the article requisition by the faculty or the faculty and as well as the researchers from this platform. My humble request is to, before send the requisition, please try your article through this platform. Otherwise, you may send the bibliographic detail to us so that we can extract your requisition article through this platform as well as the few publisher. So next, Urkund, as you know that the new regulation, you have to submit your thesis before pass through this such kind of Urkund software. As you know, we are using this software from the ESS, and it is a very Swedish software. And there are two types of account. One is the user account and password, and another is the analysis account. The faculty members of the Vishwabharati fraternity are entitled for the analysis account. So before going to enroll your name, you have to send a request. Please kindly arrange to provide me the user ID and password to our university librarian, Dr. Imai Chand Saha, and he will arrange to send user ID password along with the analysis account. And for the research scholar or the students, you have only user ID and password. You have test your article or the research through your research guide analysis account. So I am not going through in details regarding the Urkund software, how to use this software and how to work this software, because it is a separate session. So hopefully we have a separate session on Urkund remote access and discovery service in later through webinar. So this is the in brief in Urkund. Before what we are used in different software, that is Authenticate, but we are using it Urkund to the ESS platform, and it is now mandatory to submit your thesis or article before final submission. Otherwise, it is not possible to submit in the academic research department of the examination section. So my humble request to this platform, to the faculty members, please arrange your analysis account so that you are arrange your research scholar thesis by own. Apart from that, there are so many reference services through the online as well as the hard copy also. Reprography service, this is another important services. We have a separate photocopying service available at the ground floor in the central library. Through the outsourced agency, a user can get the Xerox, Spiral, binding, printing, etc. through this reprography service. But there is a limitation in the Copyright Violation Act or the UGC regulation. You have to print out or copying 20 pages per day per head. So you should maintain this rules and regulation. Article indexing service, it was introduced a few years before. As you know that we have a print journals also. We have purchased more than 175 print journals, and the print journals which is not available in the e-format, we are using the article indexing service by implying our keyword, because all the abstract is available within the article indexing service, and it was introduced few years ago, and it is applicable only for the print journal. No need to go use article indexing service for the journal which is available in the e-format. Remote access. As I mentioned before, that we have a separate session on remote access in a few days later in this webinar. But I can say that in a word, we can say wherever you go, library is with you. How? With the help of the remote access. And we are using one software, Open Athens by EBSCO. As you know that it is a very important and very popular service to our campus. Basically in this lockdown period, hopefully all the faculty members and research scholars are using our e-resources through this platform. But before going to start these e-resources, remote access facilities, you have to enroll or you have to submit one undertaking form to us. And this undertaking form is also available here. So you have to submit those are having no remote access account. You have my request, please submit your undertaking form to the main mention here, ncsaha.72@gmail.com by fulfilling your every data, and after verifying, we are send you one link, and the link is also having with your user ID and password created by own by using alphanumeric special character. So you have to enter through this www.openathens.net, and there is a My Athens. You have to enter by using user ID and password, and all the e-resources subscribed by the Vishwabharati is available in remote access. So remote access, and you have to use by your drawing room or your own places. So this is the remote access, and we have a separate session on remote access, and this is very important and popular service and today, and this is applicable only for the faculty members as well as the scholar, because we have only limited 500 account. So that's why this is only applicable for scholar and faculty member, not possible to for the UG and PG student. Discovery service. So we have a separate session on discovery service, and few days ago we have organized one webinar with joint collaboration with the EBSCO on the discovery service. In a word, we can say this is the single window searching box. So you can search your requisition, you can search your need by using the one keywords, and there are so many narrow down facilities, and you may extract your exact article or requisition. That's why it is called as a discovery service. So I am not going through in details because we have a separate session on the discovery service as well as the remote access as well as the Urkund. The next service is, may I request the host, time is okay, na? Okay. Now 30 minutes is over. So I have to finish my presentation within the another 30 minutes, and then after completion my deliberation, there is a question answer session. So scholarship and fellowship. This is very important and popular services today because, as you know, there are so many scholarship by the UGC, and it is all available in the UGC site as well as the our site also. We are organized such kind of scholarship and facilities platform in our library website in regular updated mode. So my humble request to our scholar, please follow this in Indian scholarship and fellowship, which is updated regularly in frequent manner. So these are the important services I have already mentioned in a brief manner. I have already mentioned before that it is not possible to explore everything and in details one by one. We need a one separate session in individual services. So this is the brief outline. So next, resources. As you know, we have the different types of resources as book resources, as journal resources, as thesis resources, as online databases, as institutional repository and magazine, newspaper, open resources and dictionary, so many. In case of books, there are two categories of the books. There are pre-book and as well as the e-book. So at present, more than 8 lakhs physical hard copy of the books in our Vishwa Bharati Library network, including the central library as well as the all other sectional library. So you can search the bibliographic details through OPAC. You may search by using a one select parameter from OPAC, past books, and you can enter your keyword, either title of the book, either author of the surname of the author of the book, or the publisher, and so many parameters available in the OPAC. So I am not going through details due to the shortage of time how to using OPAC. And my another request, please, as you know that we have enroll your registration through the by your own. You have collect your library card by using our library software and submitting your every personal details. So use your OPAC by user ID, by user ID and password, so that you can search throughout the year your history, your search history, everything. So please use your OPAC searching by your own user ID and password. So you can search your books, hard copy of the books as well as the e-books from these OPACs. So apart from the book, we have lots of e-books also. Last couple of few months back, we have purchased more than 1,200 e-books from the different reputed publisher like Sage, Brill, Bentham Science, McGraw-Hill, Pearson, and so many. So please utilize our e-resources and books from our system, and we have a separate mobile apps also. And as you know, we are using the library software of the Libsys, and the name of the apps is LSearch. You can search our through OPAC by using your smartphone by downloading the LSearch from the Play Store. And here is a guideline also there in our library website how to install your LSearch search. So this is the book, and you can search from our library OPAC as well as the, and ebooks is also available from our remote access service also. And journal. There are two categories of the journal. One is the subscribe print journal, and another is the online journal. So as you know, every year and journal periodicity from the January to December, we purchase the journal and we are circular the requisition for adding or deleting journal to each of the department during the time of the October or November, so that we can start our subscription from January onwards to maintain the recency. So I am showing you the in details how to display the print journals in a user-friendly manner. This is the list of print journals. Along with the few regular gift journals also. This is the list of print journals, and all the print journals is available department wise, like agriculture, and under the category of the agriculture, all the title is arranged according to alphabetically. So the and all the, as you know, few of the publisher, we are, if we subscribe the print journal, they are providing us the complementary e-journals also, like Sage. At present, there are 22 e-journals subscribed from the Sage publication, and 22 this print journal is available through the e-platform also. And this e-journal, the URL of the e-journal is available here. You can click directly from the title and enter to this particular e-format. And URL as well as their periodicity, and not only the current title is available, archives is also available from 99 to till today. So this is the unique feature of the few publisher. So free print journal, free e-journals also available. So this is the list of e-journals. It is available in our library website, and I can show you the online journals. There are three categories of extracting the e-journals available subscribed by us. As you know, that most of the e-journals is available from the eShod Sindhu platform, that is the under the umbrella of the InflipNet. At present, more than 7,000 e-journals is available from the ESS, and you can search your e-journal by title wise, subject wise, and publisher wise. And this is our in-house platform, and is the time permit. I can show you from the ESS how can extract your e-journals available from your platform. And I can say that, like Science Direct, there are huge package, but it is not possible to purchase everything from the Science Direct. It is not possible to purchase everything from the Sage. So most of the client or the researcher or the faculty member told us it is not downloadable. Only downloadable is the subscribed journal, the journal which is purchased by the Vishwabharati Library Network, the journal which is available from the ESS platform. It is only downloadable. And I am sharing the information that all the e-resources, whatever it may be, e-journals or e-books or the online database, all are setting with the IP address. So there are two categories or two types of the extracting the e-journals. One, you have to extract from our network, that is the Gitanjali network, by using the IP address. Otherwise, you can access your resources through the remote access, that is Open Athens platform. So it is not possible to every article from the any publisher is downloadable, but we can manage the article or the journal which is not subscribed by the Vishwabharati Library Network to the different platform. So I can show you the title-wise e-journals, which is available in our library website. You can search these e-journals through the title-wise, or you can search subject-wise. You can search publisher-wise according to your need. It is now opening. So if time permit, after completion my deliberation, I will show you that at a glance. So okay, this is the way how to extract the journals. So another resource, very important thesis. So there are two types of thesis. One is the hard copy of the thesis, and another is the soft copy of the thesis. As you know, that the 2009 regulation, after 2009 regulation of the UGC, you have to submit both hard copy and soft copy of the thesis. So there are two ways to extract your awarded thesis. One is the hard copy. After awarded examination section, send us both the hard copy and soft copy of the thesis to the central library. And after submitting bibliographic details to our system, the hard copy of the thesis is available in the journal section within the compactor. All the thesis is arranged by the accession number. The accession number is available through our OPAC by using the parameter thesis, and there is a handy hard copy of the booklet also. It is also available adjacent to the thesis section near compactor. So you can search your thesis through system by using any keywords, by contributor, by the title of the thesis, by subject or department, or the any keywords. And in case of hard copy of the thesis, you have to select the thesis number by using the by parameter OPAC as well as the booklet. So this is the thesis. And another platform, as you know, the terminology or the name Shodhganga. This is the biggest thesis repository in Indian university. As you know, as we receive the soft copy of the thesis from the examination section, it is also available our system as well as the uploaded in our Shodhganga. There are another terminology, the Shodh Gangotri. As you know, the Gangotri comes first, then Ganga. So Gangotri is the first, then Ganga comes later. So what is Gangotri? Gangotri is the proposal of the thesis. After verifying or approval by the BOS of your each of the department of the proposal, you have to submit your thesis proposal by own. There is a guideline in the Gangotri and Shodhganga. You have to submit your Shodhgangotri proposal to avoid the duplication in the Indian thesis, and then we are arrange the Shodhganga by increasing as soon as we receive the soft copy of the thesis. As you know, at present Calcutta University, the credential of the Calcutta University ranked first in the Shodh Gangotri platform. There are more than 10,000 soft copy of the thesis, and our contribution more than 2,000 hopefully in the soft copy which is available in the Shodh Ganga. Because before 2009 regulation, the hard copy of the thesis we are not yet digitized. Hopefully there is a planning and there is a it is the technical and the decision making problem. So we will going to be shown hopefully the hard copy of the thesis awarded by the before 2009 regulation uploaded in the Shodhganga server. So very important thesis and online databases. As you know, we have lots of online databases. Few online databases purchased by us, and few of the online databases are subscribed and available from the ESS platform. Like IndiaStat, we purchased this IndiaStat online databases for a couple of few years, and last couple of few years, basically last year, it is also available through the ESS negotiation price. That's why we have purchased this software this year with ESS negotiation price. And this indiastat.com online databases is very popular. Those who are belong from the agriculture, those who are belong from the economics, those who are belong from the geography also. Very user friendly, IP based. Indiastat.com need not require any user ID password. There are two types to enter in Indiastat.com. There are user ID and password. No need to require user ID and password. You have to enter this Indiastat.com by IP. Either IP from our Gitanjali net, from our network, or through the remote access. And there are so many important Indian online databases like ISID. It is not possible to explore everything in details due to shortage of time. JGET Plus platform is an electronic gateway to global e-journal literature. We have extract most of the article from the JGET platform. JSTOR is very popular. Those who are belong from the humanities and social science, this platform is accessible through the IP base as well as the remote access. JSTOR is a shared digital library created in 1995 onwards and very important. Most of the articles we are extracting from this by using the JSTOR. And there are so many other online databases like MathSciNet. Those who are belong from the mathematics, it is very important for them. And Odia Patrapatrika Sangaton one time perpetual mode Sage there. And last year we have already purchased two online databases. From one is from Zengel and another is Taylor Francis, and we will upload it soon in our library website. And these two purchase online databases is also available in our remote access. So you can search and extract and download all the e-resources from our remote access platform. So these are the few important online databases available and subscribed by the Vishwabharati Library Network. An institutional repository, it is very important for those who are belong from the UG and PG students, because all the university question paper and the syllabus and the faculty publication is available through this university question paper. I am showing you one how to extract the university question paper by clicking the from university institutional repository, then click the university question paper, and there are so many metadata you have to enter by either subject or course, UG or PG or year or semester and paper wise. So I can show you just agriculture and the terminology egg grill. Then if I click, so you can search by own particular your requisition by syllabus or question in such a way. And another important for the faculty publication, through this platform, my humble request to the faculty member, please submit your publication, earlier publication in PDF format with bibliographic details, so that we can upload your publication in our institutional repository in such a way. There are so many publications available, so that our researcher and the scholar can use your earlier publication. It is also available in the Google Scholar also. So please send your publication in PDF format along with the bibliographical details. These are the very important and popular institutional repository. One is university question paper, another is university syllabus, and faculty and staff publication. This is the magazine. During the time, as you know, we have lots of magazine near about at present there are near about 50 magazine in different languages like Bengali, Hindi, English, and Chinese, and coverages all the discipline of the subject. So hard copy of the journals is available in our center. Few publisher is complimentary e-version also, and there is a link is available in this list, and this magazine list is available in our library website. And there is another important resources, that is newspaper. As you know, at present there are more than 24 daily newspaper in different languages, from Bengali, English, Hindi, Odia is available in our central library. And according to me, it is very important primary sources of important, and to enrich the current affairs by own. So the list is available, and few of the complementary e-newspaper is available. The URL is also available here. These are the resources and open resources. As you know, few days before, due to the lockdown period, Central Library Vishwabharati taken so many new initiatives. We have circular so many open access resources, which is available from the InflipNet site, which is available in the UGC site, and few other e-resources, which is available and provided by the few publisher and aggregator also. And this is the few list of open access e-resources, open access e-portal, open access e-books portal, open access dictionaries portal, open access institution digital repository portal, and open access university institutionally link also. It is very important and is available and direct link with our user-friendly library website. And we have a more than 30,000 digital books, digital rare books, which is uploaded in our server, and you can search by using the OPAC by digital format. And the books which is available during the time of the OPAC searching, the PDF symbol is available in the OPAC bottom. You can download page wise in our digital more than 30,000 digital books also. These are the very important resources, and I'm not going through details. The other important, there are so many initiative taken few months ago or few years ago, and I am mentioning few important innovative practices by the Vishwabharati Library Network. So I am request one of the host member Ajay Dar Sujit Da. The time is near about 11:50. How many times remain for me for deliberation?
More than half an hour.
More than half an hour up to concluding session. Okay. So these are the I am showing in a brief from using the Central Library Vishwabharati Library network. These are the services and these are the resources, and these are the OPAC searching, how to search your requirement from this OPAC, and these are the publication. Publication, as you know, there are so many outreach material to publish our resources to increase our usage statistics. The very important e-newsletter already published in every month. And those who are participants today, hope you are enjoying our library newsletter. And yesterday you have received the latest library newsletter also yesterday. And those who are having no email ID in our data bank, please send your email ID to us so that your email ID incorporate in our data bank as well as our other data bank also. So I am furnishing few important innovative practices apart from the library services, facilities, and so scan yourself. As you know, we have a scan machine in our journal section. The scan the document of the user, one dedicated system has been assigned. It is very popular for the basically researcher and library friends. To address the needs and grievances of the user, library has a team under the name of the library friends who are maintaining close proximity with the library authority for the smooth running of the library, and it was the brainchild of the Diden University librarian, Dr. V.K. Thomas. Holiday reading room service. As you know, we are reopen our reading room in the holidays. Library reading room is open except 3 national holiday and around 17 another holiday. These are the very innovative practices and services by Vishwabharati Library Network. And another important for the requisition system, book requisition by any user at any time to the university library. And this form is available in our library website in announcement part. All kind of form, requisition form, duplicate library card form, and any kind of form is available in our library announcement part. And book exhibition for offering scope to the library user for meeting with the new books on the subject, selecting books after the direct observation. And this physical location of this book observation is the reference section. Library resources are open to all and always for the research and development activities. As you know, we have a limited temporary membership facilities to the research scholar, those who are not associated with the Vishwabharati Library Network. So we can serve to them through this temporary membership provision services. And Best Library User Award. To encourage the user, particularly students and the scholar, library has introduced Best Library User Awards based on the library use and their performance. So these are the few innovative practices, and with the brainchild of our present university librarian, Dr. Nimai Chand Saha, he has introduced few WhatsApp groups like library for the faculty members, library for the research scholar, and this newsletter already highlighted these 2 groups also. And in this situation, in this COVID-19 situation, lockdown situation, we have introduced first this such kind of webinar from the Vishwabharati point of view. So these are the few innovative practices and services we are using. And to increase our usage, we have lots of outreach material like e-newsletter, like brochure, like tutorial PPT available in our library website, and bookmark. So these are the important service facilities and resources I am going through in brief in a very rush manner. Hope you are enjoying this such kind of facilities and familiar a little bit, and hope you are already familiar with our library website. And through this platform, my humble request to you, please familiar with our user-friendly, handy library website. All the resources and services and facilities as available through this platform. So please use your library website as well as increase our e-resources. So I am showing you another platform due to within 5 minutes. So how many e-resources available from the ESS platform directly from the Google. I have already mentioned before the terminology of Shodh Gangotri and Shodh Ganga, which is also available in the InflipNet platform as well as our library platform. All the e-resources which is available from the ESS platform, it is also available in our library website. I have already shown before, and how to extract the e-resources from the ESS platform. So the website is www.inflipnet.ac.in. You know what InflipNet? It is the sister concern of the UGC. The headquarter of the InflipNet is the Gandhinagar. All the e-resources is available. E-resources basically the e-journals as well as the few online databases and the Urkund. And these are the major activities That is I click these are the different categories of the digital initiatives like eShod Sindhu, Shod Shuddhi, Shod Ganga, Shod Gangotri, ePG Patsala. It is all available in Flipnet. So I can show you within 5 minutes the eShod Sindhu. I click the eShod Sindhu platform. And there are, as you know, there are different categories of the member. We are belong from the universities category. I click the university, and there are different categories under the university, like the university and the central university. We are belong from the central university. I can click the central university, and the alphabetically list of the university name, Aligarh Muslim University stand first, and Vishwabharati, according to the V, it stand last. So I can go directly the last page. This is the Vishwabharati, and there is a view in resources. What kind of e-resources is available in our ESS platform is available in our library website. Mr. Ajay Kumar Sarba already incorporated all wise, subject wise, title wise. So I can click now the e-resources, and these are the major platform of the e-resources which is available from the central fund of the InflipNet, like American Chemical Society. And you can click, if you click the American Chemical Society, the title available from the American Chemical Society is displayed here. This is the few journals. But I can already mention before, all the product of the under the umbrella of the American Chemical Society is not available here. Only the subscribe to the ESS platform is available here. And next, the American Institute of Physics, American Physical Society, annual reviews, economic and politically weekly. It is very important, those who belong from the economics. And I can add another information that this year we have a platform, another platform. This is the separate platform, EPW. This is the, in a brief, economic, politically weekly, we can say EPW. And we can already purchase another platform, EPWRF, Research Foundation. It is also available through the ESS by negotiation route. Those who belongs from the economics, very familiar to both EPW and EPWDRF. And these are the ISID, JSTOR, JGET Plus, JSTOR, MathSciNet, Oxford University Press, Project Muse, Prinjalink. 1,700 article is available. Taylor Francis. I can click the Taylor Francis. So access provided by the Vishwabharati library. So if you enter within the system, either through our Gitanjali Net platform or through the access platform, you are welcome by the access provided by the Vishwabharati library. So this is the time you can access the resources available through this platform. So Urkund is also available through this system. Web of Science, very important. And as you know, in each month, we are arrange special session on our product in every month by circulating the email to our faculty members and to our research scholar. So Urkund plagiarism detecting software. So these are resources available through the ESS platform, and all the resources is incorporated in our user-friendly library website. So time is now 12. So I have already explained or furnishing this such kind of user-friendly resources, services, and facilities. So this is the time of the interaction.
You finish, you can.
So almost I have finished in a very brief manner. And in spite of that, there are so many resources and facilities and services. But I am inform you to the very important and popular services and facilities. All the rest information regarding the service and facilities resources is available in our library website. You can extract or browse all the services through our library website. Okay, I have just completed somehow within the stipulated time, and now is the interaction session. Okay, Jagat. Okay. So I can share you another important event by Jagat Plus. Because most of the article we are extracting by using the Jagat, and my humble request to you, please use by own this platform, Jagat platform, so that you can extract your requisition article by own. This is the Jagat Plus. In a word, it is another word JTPL say. So I can show you how can extract. This is the platform of the Jagat Plus, Jagat, which is available from the eSource Sindhu. This is the basic search, and this is the. There are so many parameters to narrow down your extract. So you can open your accounts also. This is the keyword. You have to incorporate your terminology to this search engine. এটা এখন শো করবে না এটা কি অফলাইন না so I have input one terminology library so এটা তো উঠছে না
সায়েন্স ডাইরেক্টে যে কোনো আর্টিকেল একটা করতে পারেন
science but you can please tell one terminology other than library
কিছু বলবে না
so I can show you global warming other than global warming oh I have already okay library so these are I have already incorporated the terminology library these are the heats of in full text so you may extract according to your need you may narrow down your exact result by using the filter may be subject wise there are so many subject so I may click the first the hints is more than this number I can use the terminology by narrow down library and information size you can use by another filter by clicking author that is I am clicking one author that is first author Gary Fries by using another author research guide by using another parameter research guide you can using another parameter by narrow down your filter that article journal name of the journal there are so many parameters by using the narrow down facilities so then apply the filter so these are the narrow down result from crore to little bit number so my humble request from this platform please use this Jagat Plus platform by own so that you can extract your article by own by using Jagat platform restore platform and if not after completion of your result it is not extracting by own please send us the requisition with mentioning the bibliographic details and everything so this is very platform and you may create your account by own by using the search history alert service also is available so practice is the only way to familiar with our product so please use our each and every product or resources by own so that you can familiar and updated our services and facilities and resources. Gestor, I can show you the Gestor, also another important platform. Gestor, those who are belong from the humanities and social science, very important for Gestor. And the usage statistics of the Gestor by the Vishwabharati is very high, because most of the faculty member are using the Gestor by from the our network or from the remote access. And this is the criteria you are enter or not. When you enter properly through your IP or through remote access, you are the particular resources welcome by you by mentioning access provided by the Vishwabharati library. This is the terminology, and this is the search engine. And you may search one terminology. Please tell one terminology, Ajoy, so that I can incorporate through Gestor. Library.
Economic crisis.
Economic crisis, you can say.
Economic crisis.
Economic
Crisis. So I have incorporated the terminology within the Gestor search engine, economic crisis. There are 59,000 more than hits, and in here there is a narrow down option also. You have to narrow down according to your need in such a way. There is the primary source, academic content, publication year. You may narrow down the publication year by recency and subject wise. And before downloading, I can show you how to download. This is the book chapter I need. I can download. Before download, you have to accept or download, and click the accept and proceed to download button. And the resources is available, downloadable in your external, in your laptop or smartphone, and you can extract your downloadable article to your external device by pen drive in such a way. Please use your own. And most of the researchers and few of the faculty members send us their requisition without using this platform. Our humble request to you, all the client of the Vishwabharati Library Network, please use this platform first. And if it is not available from this platform, then you send your requisition with bibliographic details. And so many cases, we have the good relationship with the publisher. The article which is not available in this platform, we request them to them directly, which is not subscribed by the Vishwabharati Library Network. In spite of that, they provided us this particular article with the good relationship. In such a way, we are distributing, we are circulating document delivery service throughout the month in within a few seconds or minutes by using our system. So these are the valuable, important service and resources. Hope you are enjoying my presentation. And this is the presenter or speaker. So hopefully, and due to the technical reason, we are unable to start in .11. So hope you are already there with us. So now the interaction session, and there is a hand raise button. Please submit your hand raise button by submitting the CPR. And one by one, the host are controlling the question one by one. I am showing in video. Is that?
You stop the screen sharing. Stop the screen.
Then stop.
You can now stop the screen sharing.
Thank you, Kaushikda, for your nicely presentation regarding
Where is the location?
Vishwabharati Library resource. We have the resource. You delivered very nicely.
Stop sharing.
Get very suited with that, and I feel English at the best of. So now discussion. Raise your hand and ask the question one by one. So she can promptly and.
I am expecting question. I'm expecting question.
Hello.
Rajesh da.
Hello, Kaushik. Nice presentation. Really, very informative.
Okay.
Okay. So nice. So my question is that how to use that L search? What is there in L search? L search app.
Okay. So as I already mentioned before, during our service part, that we have a apps, and it was introduced by the Lipsys Corporation of India, and you have to download this L search app in your Android by using the Google Play. And Google Play, first you have to download the L search, and after downloading and open the L search software into your smartphone, you have to scan through QR code from our library site. After scanning the L search, in between the L search and our QR code available from our library system, then it is connected. Okay, Rajesh da?
Okay, thank you.
Then you can use your L search like a OPAC from your home. First you have to download from the Play Store, and you have to activate it through QR code from our system, then it is activated.
Okay.
If any problem, then I will show you later on hands-on training.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Rajesh da.
Thank you.
Okay. Next question.
Okay, I have a question. This is Sudipto Maestro here.
Yes, sir, you can ask.
I just wanted to mention that you have said that the e-resources will be available either through Gitanjali or by remote access user ID password. That means the Open Athens user ID password, isn't it?
Please, Sudipto, repeat. It is not audible clearly. Please repeat. Pardon, Sudipto, please repeat.
The e-resources will be available either through Gitanjali Net or through Open remote access password.
Okay.
User ID password. That one thing, please note. Just keep it in mind that very many times during the daytime, the Gitanjali Net bandwidth decreases when the user's traffic is too high. And these days, Vishwabharati has installed the MHRD network. The MHRD network is so fast that most of the time in our science departments, we use the MHRD network. And for students, as you have already mentioned in your deliberation, very nicely, thank you for your presentation, that this open access system is not available for UGPG students. It is only 500 subscription is possible at a time. So faculties and research scholars. So if the technical aspects can be looked into, that if these open resources can be tagged also to the MHRD network, so that people can access to MHRD Gitanjali Net as well as the remote access modes.
Okay. Actually, I tried to explain. It is a technical question also. Actually, first of all, I have already mentioned before that all the e-resources whichever it may be, e-journal, e-book, or online databases, all are IP based. Need not require any user ID password. In first of all, in such a way, but you need to require our IP, that is Gitanjali Net along with the campus. And hopefully this is the technical question. MHRD IP is almost same to the Gitanjali Net, as per my knowledge concern.
No.
I don't know whether it is same or not. Our information scientist Ramprasad Majumdar or same. So I came to know that most of the IP, basically the MHRD as well as the Gitanjali Net is same. So it should be downloadable from MHRD 2.
Be really helpful because this was
But now we are using the Gitanjali Net from our table, from our home, from our work.
it is a very nice
But in
information that
spite of that, regarding
IPs
the
are
remote
similar.
access, actually, remote access, the name of the software is Open Athens. The name of the publisher is Apps, and there are so many customized packages. We are purchased the package of the remote access like Open Athens on 500 subscription basis, like certain amount. If we increase such from 500 to 1000, 500 to 400, 600, so we have to uplift our budget also. As you know, due to the fund crisis, it is not possible to purchase the remote access facilities more than 500. We are very eager that at present, the number of the research scholars and number of the faculty members are more than 500. That's why it is not possible to subscribe access for the EG and PG students.
That both in Gitanjali Net and in MHRT, our IPs are almost similar matches. So if we face certain kind of difficulties while accessing from MHRD, we can approach library networks or members there for to
গ্রসারি কতগুলো
Actually, thank you, Sudipta da. And this is the decision making.
no, that we will do.
Decision making case. So I will convey your message to our authority, library authority, as well as the computer authority, so that we can access our resources from the all corner and usage statistics increasing in day to day in such a way. Thank you, Sudipta da.
Thank you.
Any question next?
Is there any question you may ask?
Any question?
So I think there is no question. May I ask again if you have any question regarding
Sure. You may send your query through our mail, through my mail. And if you not having your mail in our data bank, please send your mail ID so that your mail we will incorporate in our data bank so that you can receive all kind of information, notice, circular through our mail. Okay. Have you any question, rest of the participants, regarding my today's presentation?
I think all the participants are satisfied with the question they asked presentation. If you have any query, you can ask in person. You can send email to us. We can reply you accordingly. So thank you, Kaushik, for your nice presentation. And
Thank you, Sujit.
for the patiently listening all the participants.
And thank you, Ajoita, for your technical support. Because first time my role as a speaker in the webinar. So before starting, I was in little nervous.
So
It was really nice.
first time,
Really nice.
not we are not experienced.
Not only nice, it was very rich
And it is
And hope all the participants are enjoying our presentation and technical support, everything.
yeah, this kind of experience is very nice, as I feel. I think
And Rakesh is a very familiar face to us because he is very familiar with our service systems and facilities also too.
so. Thank you all of you, and keep safe, stay home.
I have a question.
Keep-
Onim is asking who has question, hopefully.
No,
Onim is already asking one question.
Yes, Sunny is there.
Onim is Bhattacharya.
it's a nice presentation, and I have a question on that is, do you allow outsider to access your database? Do you allow outsiders to access your database or access Urkun facilities?
Hello, I am not audible clearly. Your question is? Please, pardon me.
Do you allow outsiders to access your Urkun facilities?
Oh, actually, all the bibliographic details is available through the OPEC, but all the resources which is subscribed by the Vishwabharati Library Network, due to violation of the licensing agreement. As you know, all the e-resources, in case of journal and ebook, we have a signed agreement with the publisher. So it is not possible to explore everything. But you can extract, you can watch our library homepage by searching our OPEC, only the bibliographic details also.
So as per the Animesh Das question, he asking whether we provide service of Urkun service to the outsiders. So actually, this is the special facility provided by the UGC to individual institutions. Every institution have their facility of Urkun. All the universities are provided by the UGC. They are getting this Urkun facility, so they can avail service there. The personal strong difference that we can do the
In personal relationship, you may send your requisition through mail regarding any article, regarding in the book, etc. And this is the in this platform. This is another request to our faculty members during the time of the downloading in any books or of the any journal due to the licensing violation, not to download from top to bottom. You need one article from the one journal. So few of the scholar or few of the faculty members, I am not mentioning the name, last year they download from top to bottom, not intentionally, but this is the violation of the licensing agreement. Please download according to your need. Okay.
Thank you.
And welcome.
Hello, sir.
yes.
Hello, this is Ravi Gupta, sir.
Yes, ask your question.
Sir, is there any e-thesis available?
It's not audible clearly.
Sir, in the central library, sir, yeah, in website, sir, is there any e-resources, e-thesis?
What?
Not your voice is not clear.
Pardon me, please repeat.
E-thesis available, sir, in website, sir? In a
Thesis?
particular culture, sir?
Thesis, na?
Yes, sir, e-thesis.
Okay. Okay. Actually, your question, the thesis available from how?
Yes, sir,
Website.
in the website,
As I already mentioned before during my presentation regarding the thesis part, there are two types of thesis. One is the hard copy and the soft copy. Hard copy is typically available in our journal section within the compactor.
Yes,
This is the restricted use. And the soft copy of the thesis awarded from the Vishwabharati University is available both the two sides. One is our system. You have to search through OPAC and it is downloadable. And other way, you have to extract your thesis from the Sodh Ganga, from your drawing room, anywhere.
okay.
You have to download Sodh Ganga from anywhere. There is no restriction. There is no such kind of restriction.
Sir,
Yes.
in library facility, we have any facility to publish our thesis, master thesis, yeah,
No, we are not publishing
PhD.
anything. We are not publishing anything from library, so we don't have any
No.
publication facility.
That's why I mentioned the restricted use of the hard copy of the journals.
Yes, sir.
You have to sit
Thank you, sir.
and
You
read.
have to contact with the publishers.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you all. And
Thank you, Ravi.
thank you very much. Now we are going to close our meeting.
Because time is almost over, 12:30.
Yes, 12:30 is done, and welcome for tomorrow's session. You can come on time in the time, so we can start in the session in the time and finish within a given time. So thanks a lot for today's.
Thank you, all the participants, and thank you as well as the two hosts, Ajay Kumar Sharma and Sujit Dha. Thank you.